Now what I'm using, it's the paid version of LuxAlgo, one of the best indicators out there. I don't like indicators. If you've been following me, you know I don't like indicators. This is the only indicator I like. The only one. Now, if you want this indicator, the link is in the description in all of my videos. It's called LuxAlgo, and this will, in my opinion, make trading just a little bit easier. There's a lot of different ways of trading, a lot of different ways. One is order block trading. This is high risk. I don't recommend it. I do it very once in a while, and it's basically catching a falling knife, almost. So the theory behind, well, not theory, but the strategy behind order block trading, and depending on the time frame you have, depends on where these order blocks will show up. But for this particular one, on the 4-hour time frame, the order block is right here. This is saying that there's very strong support here, very strong support, because the price action is above this area. Here, very strong resistance. When the price was here, if you were order block trading, you would have put a bid or a lower entry, and a bid, all that is a lower entry that hasn't hit. It hasn't gotten filled. You could have put a lower entry, let's say here, just above the order block. Let's turn this to blue so we don't get confused. And then you could have also put one maybe at the bottom, just so you can maybe get a lower price. This is order block trading. Does it work? Sometimes it doesn't. Because what it'll do is the price action will do this and continue going down. And then it'll create another order block. So this would have been an order block breaker. That's what this would have been, because it broke through the order block. Now we see this happen all the time, especially on the way up in a bullish market. Here's an order block, and then the price action does this, boom, breaks through it. Now this disappears from our indicator. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.